What if you could take a single video and translate it into multiple languages? Like this.
ਕੀ ਹੋਵੇ ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਉਸ ਦਾ 23 ਭਾਸ਼ਾਵਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਨੁਵਾਦ ਕਰ ਸਕੋ? ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ AI આવાજ ਨੂੰ ભાવપૂર્ણ તે લિપ સિંક નું કુદરતી રાખતા હૈ. શું થાય જો તમે એક જ વિડીયોને અનેક ભાષાઓમાં અનુવાદિત કરી શકો? આની જેમ AI આવાજને ભાવપૂર્ણ.
क्या हो अगर आप एक ही वीडियो को कई भाषाओं में अनुवाद कर सकें? AI keeps the voice expressive and lip sync realistic, allowing you to reach a global audience.
So today I'm going to show you a tool called VMEG AI, an AI-powered platform designed specifically for video translation and dubbing. You can translate your videos into over 100 languages, translate transcripts into over 170 languages, and choose from more than 17,000 premium AI voices to create natural-sounding dubbed videos. Before we begin, it's worth mentioning that VMEG AI isn't just a video translator. It also includes powerful AI tools like audio translation, transcription, text-to-speech, and subtitle translation, making it a complete platform for content localization. For this video, we'll focus on the video translator. Getting started is really simple. You can either upload a video directly from your device or simply paste a media link from platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, or Google Drive. Once your video is uploaded, the platform automatically prepares it for translation.
What if you could take a single video and translate it?
Next, choose the original language of your video. If you're not sure, you can simply leave it on auto detect and VMEG AI will identify the language automatically. Now let's choose the target language. As you can see, VMEG AI offers a wide selection of languages, so you can choose the one that best fits your audience. But I'm selecting Gujarati language. Next comes one of the most important settings, voice style. You can choose voice cloning if you want the translated audio to sound closer to the original speaker. For more expressive content, there's more emotional. If you're creating tutorials or educational videos, more consistent helps maintain a steady voice throughout the video. You can also let VMEG AI automatically match a suitable voice or manually choose one from its library of premium AI voices.
અરે હું તમારો ડિજિટલ AI વોઇસ સહાયક છું. અરે હું તમારો ડિજિટલ AI વોઇસ સહાયક છું.
Next, we have the Allow Adjustments to Video Speed option. When enabled, VMEG AI can slightly adjust the video speed to better match the translated speech. This helps maintain smoother timing and improves the overall dubbing quality. Just keep in mind that processing may take a little longer and the final video duration can change slightly. If you need more control, open the Advanced Options section. Once everything looks good, simply click Submit. VMEG AI will start processing your video in the background. Depending on the length of your video and the selected settings, the processing usually takes just a few minutes. You don't have to stay on this page the entire time. You can leave, and once it's ready, you'll be able to continue editing the translated result. Once the processing is complete, your translated video is ready for preview.
શું થાય જો તમે એક જ વિડીયોને અનેક ભાષાઓમાં અનુવાદિત કરી શકો? આની જેમ AI અવાજને ભાવપૂર્ણ અને લિપ સિંકને વાસ્તવિક રાખે છે, જેનાથી તમે વૈશ્વિક પ્રેક્ષકો સુધી પહોંચી શકો છો.
Before exporting, click on Go to Editor to review the result and make any final refinements. On the left side, you'll find the original script alongside the translation, making it easy to compare both versions line by line and review the translation.
What if you could take a single video and શું થાય જો તમે એક જ વિડીયોને અનેક ભાષા?
At the bottom, the timeline keeps your video, subtitles, and audio perfectly organized, allowing you to make accurate adjustments whenever needed. On the right side, all the editing tools are neatly organized into different sections, giving you quick access to subtitles, voice settings, lip sync, glossary, and other editing controls. Everything you need to review, edit, and finalize your translated video is available in one place, making the editing process simple and efficient. One feature I really like is the zero-credit editing ecosystem. After your video is processed, you can fine-tune subtitles, translations, audio, and timing directly inside the editor without consuming additional editing credits. Now, let's explore these editing tools one by one, starting with the Subtitle Editor. The Subtitle Editor gives you complete control over how subtitles appear in your translated video. You can easily enable or disable subtitles depending on your preference. You can choose to display only the translated subtitles, keep the original subtitles, or show both together using the bilingual option. To keep subtitles aligned with the translated speech, you can use sync with dubbing. If you want the subtitles to be divided automatically into readable segments, simply enable auto split. VMEG AI also includes multiple subtitle presets, allowing you to quickly change the overall look without manually editing each subtitle. If you need more customization, you can change the font, size, alignment, and text formatting to match the style of your content. Next, let's take a look at the video settings. Here, you can fine-tune the background audio and playback to achieve a cleaner and more natural result. You can also adjust the background audio volume and playback speed, giving you more control over how the final translated video sounds and plays. Now let's move to the voice section. This gives you full control over how your translated voice sounds. You can quickly adjust the voice volume and speaking speed to match your preferred listening experience without translating the video again. If your video contains multiple speakers, you can easily assign different voices to each one, making conversations sound much more natural and organized. You can also choose from a large library of premium AI voices or simply use your own cloned voice to keep the translated video sounding consistent. And once you've selected the perfect voice,
અરે હું તમારો ડિજિટલ AI વોઇસ
you can apply it across all segments with a single click, saving a lot of manual work.
શું થાય જો તમે એક જ વિડીયોને અનેક ભાષાઓમાં
Now comes lip sync. This feature automatically matches the speaker's lip movements with the translated voice, making the video look natural. Before generating, VMEG AI recommends using a clear front-facing video, good lighting, and minimal head movement for the best results. Once you're ready, click Confirm to generate the lip-synced version. In just a few moments, the AI creates accurate lip synchronization. Here's the final result.
શું થાય જો તમે એક જ વિડીયોને અનેક ભાષાઓમાં અનુવાદિત કરી શકો? આની જેમ AI અવાજને ભાવપૂર્ણ અને લિપ સિંકને વાસ્તવિક રાખે છે જેનાથી તમે વૈશ્વિક પ્રેક્ષકો સુધી પહોંચી શકો છો.
The translated voice and lip movements are perfectly aligned, making the video feel natural in any language. Once you're happy with the edits, simply click Download. You can export the translated video, audio, or subtitle files in just a few clicks. If you'd like to try VMEG AI for yourself, you'll find the website link in the description below. Feel free to check it out, and thanks for watching.